Cover exposed roof areas quickly to stop water entry while you wait for full shingle replacement. Assess the damage and act with firm but careful steps to keep water out. Remove any loose debris and blot wet areas to see how much underlayment is exposed. For small gaps, lay heavy gauge construction plastic over the area and secure it with cap nails or wood battens placed across the plastic, nailing only through the battens into solid decking to avoid tearing and wind uplift. For localized leaks, use roofing cement or weatherproof exterior caulk applied into seams and around flashing. Press firmly and smooth the bead so water sheds away from the opening. If a shingle edge is lifting, lift it back gently and use approved roofing nails or roofing cement to reseat and seal the edge, placing nails through solid material only to avoid creating new leak paths. When working on a steep slope, tie off with a harness and use a roof ladder or toe boards for safety. Never rely on temporary measures as a permanent fix and keep the temporary cover in place until the complete replacement happens. Common issues are wind damage to temporary plastic where edges are not secured well, so extend the cover beyond the damage zone and anchor it under multiple battens to distribute load and prevent flapping. Another frequent problem is water pooling because the cover is not draped to shed water, so make sure the plastic runs downhill from underlayment and is smoothed so water flows off the edge rather than collecting. A third concern is creating condensation or trapping moisture under the temporary patch, which can accelerate rot, so allow a small venting gap at the uphill edge or remove the cover periodically to let trapped moisture dry before reinstalling. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and let both parties post project details and bids. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips and first-hand experiences about interim roof protection and contractor selection so we can all learn from each other.